Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen.
If you haven't tried tofu before, this is a great recipe to start with. Tofu is condensed soy milk that is pressed into blocks. These blocks come in different consistencies: semi-firm, firm, soft, and even crumbles. Our recipe is using extra firm tofu, which has less fluid in it. When you purchase tofu, you may need to drain off the fluid and press the tofu between two paper towels to remove the excess fluid. If you're purchasing tofu, you can buy non-organic or organic. If you're buying organic tofu, by law, that has to be organic, non-genetically modified soybeans that are grown without pesticides or herbicides. Tofu is a healthy alternative to meat. It's high in protein, all essential amino acids, fiber, and minerals. The fiber in tofu can decrease your risk of colon cancer and decrease PSA levels in prostate cancer. This recipe is loaded with vegetables. Peppers, for example, add good flavor and color to any recipe. Tomatoes are high in vitamin C and lycopene. Observational studies show that increased lycopene in our diet can decrease your rate of prostate, ovarian, lung, and stomach cancer. It's also high in lutein, which can promote eye health. Tomatoes do contain a healthy portion of vitamin C, which can decrease inflammation in the body and help you fight off infections. Asparagus is a member of the lily family. It's high in folate, which can help with cell growth and DNA repair. Red onions are really high in the polyphenol quercetin. This can help us lower inflammation in the body. Garlic has antibacterial properties. It can help you lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It is rich in phytochemicals. These phytochemicals are found in plants, which help us decrease inflammation and free radicals in the system, which can cause diseases.